my God. Monster. Marking a milestone at the start, the Claas Syrian 5000 with the TP400 wood chipper is ideal for heavy wood cutting tasks. The Claas Syrian 5000, featuring a 530 horsepower engine combined with the TP400 wood chipper, delivers powerful performance and quickly handles large wood. In addition to the Claas Syrian 5000, the Claas 950 paired with the Wursthacker BBHKE 100 wood chipper is also an ideal solution for handling heavy wood. With a 500 horsepower engine and a weight of 39,693 pounds, the machine offers powerful shredding capabilities and efficiently processes all types of wood. Next, the Senebogen 818E material handler with a 180 horsepower engine and a weight of 44,092 pounds is the perfect choice for handling heavy materials. The Senebogen 818E, with its robust and versatile design, optimizes lifting efficiency and material handling for large-scale construction and mining operations. The El Palomo, with a 160 horsepower engine and a weight of 39,693 pounds, delivers exceptional power for handling heavy materials. However, when faced with challenging terrain, the machine may encounter some mobility obstacles, but it is still capable of overcoming any challenges on the job site. Leave number 1 if you like these machines and want to continue following the journey. God. This truck is hauling tons of wood across rough terrain and unfortunately has run into trouble. You can't miss the Bandit Beast Model 2680. With a 768 horsepower engine and a weight of 39,693 pounds, this wood chipper is incredibly powerful, making it ideal for handling large wood. Its ability to quickly and efficiently chip large logs makes the Bandit Beast a standout, delivering exceptional productivity on wood processing and logging sites. Next, the Eschelbach Biber 92. A powerful wood chipper with a 400 horsepower engine and a weight of 30,864 pounds is the ideal choice for handling large wood. With its quick and efficient chipping capabilities, the machine easily processes hard logs, delivering exceptional productivity in timber harvesting. Wow! The Starkholz-Spalten combined with the Grohe Holzpalter GSW40 is the perfect machine for handling large wood. With a 40 horsepower engine and a weight of 6,613 pounds, it effortlessly splits large logs quickly and efficiently. Can you imagine the exceptional power this machine delivers in timber harvesting and processing? The Logset 12H Clearfell in Scotland is a powerful saw and logging machine, equipped with a 210 horsepower engine and weighing 39,693 pounds. With its robust design and efficient performance, the machine easily handles large forests, delivering exceptional productivity in timber harvesting. Unbelievable. The Husqvarna 572 XP chainsaw with a 5.7 horsepower engine and a weight of 13,889 pounds is a tree-crushing powerhouse. With its exceptional strength and sharp cutting ability, is there any saw that can compete with the incredible performance of the Husqvarna 572 XP? Can the log truck escape this challenging stuck situation? Let's dive into the exciting rescue operation in stuck log truck recovery. The Caterpillar 527. Skidder, with a 190 horsepower engine and a weight of 24,250 pounds, continues to prove its powerful performance when hauling long logs. With stable efficiency and high durability, the Caterpillar 527 remains a reliable choice in timber harvesting. Two John Deere excavators with powerful engines and heavy weight are working efficiently in snowy conditions. They handle and load wood quickly, overcoming the challenges of harsh weather, delivering high productivity in timber harvesting and transportation. The John Deere 850 dozer, with a 220 horsepower engine and a weight of 44,092 pounds, powerfully pushes through large tree trunks. With its durable performance, the machine easily overcomes challenges in land clearing, delivering optimal efficiency in timber harvesting and earth moving.
So that in there is going to get real close to me. Oh, it's sticky.
Comment number 1 if you also think the Caterpillar 299 D2 XHP is a massive beast, capable of crushing everything in its path. The Cat 299 D2 XHP, equipped with the SS Extreme Disc Mulcher, features a 110 horsepower engine and weighs 10,141 pounds, making it the ideal machine for shredding trees. Its superior power allows for quick and efficient processing, delivering optimal productivity in land clearing and earth-moving operations. Unbelievable! The Stump Puller 1720, with a 200 horsepower engine and a weight of 22,046 pounds, effortlessly pulls and removes large tree stumps. It helps clear land quickly on logging and agricultural sites, making it an invaluable tool for fast and efficient ground clearing. log splitter with a 25 horsepower engine and a weight of 5,511 pounds is the ideal woodcutter for vertical cutting. Can this machine deliver superior efficiency in wood processing compared to other tools? The TigerCat LX 830D feller buncher, with a powerful 280 horsepower engine and weighing 57,638 pounds, is the top choice for timber harvesting. Equipped with a hot saw head, the machine effortlessly and quickly cuts and delimbs trees, delivering exceptional performance on the toughest job sites. Husqvarna 560 XP with a 4.4 horsepower engine and weighing 13,007 pounds, combined with the Harvester Ponce Ergo 8X8 featuring a 200 horsepower engine and weighing 39,693 pounds, delivers high performance in timber harvesting. Both machines provide outstanding efficiency in forest harvesting and wood processing tasks. Skidder LKT 81T with a 250 horsepower engine and weighing 28,660 pounds is ideal for transporting timber in rugged forest terrain. With its exceptional mobility and superior towing power, The machine delivers optimal performance in timber harvesting operations. When it comes to the industrial sector, you certainly cannot ignore this baton block registered trademark machine. It works effectively in the production of concrete blocks. The machine ensures precise block forming by pouring the material into the mold and then shaping it accurately. Once the partnership has been solidified, the equipment automatically removes the mold, creating the final product. The baton block machine's flexible rotation ability, without the need for a rotating shaft, helps optimize the production process and improve efficiency, especially in applications requiring high precision. If you find this video interesting, please press the like button and subscribe to the Far Window channel to stay updated with the latest content. Thanks a lot. To handle the most difficult demolition jobs in the construction industry, the Menzi Muck M545X demolition machine must be mentioned. As a multi-purpose oscillating excavator, the M545X is equipped with a chainsaw and hydraulic cutter, capable of handling jobs requiring high intensity and precision. The design of the digging arm and chainsaw system allows it to reach difficult locations without sacrificing efficiency. Advanced steering and control systems provide flexibility to the operator during operation. Furthermore, its ability to move across a variety of terrains makes it an essential tool for large construction projects. A masterpiece of contemporary design and engineering, the Menzi Muck. A 61 has become an essential tool in the construction industry. Its integrated hydraulic breaker structure can destroy block structures and effectively handle excavation jobs. The sturdy and flexible excavator arm allows the machine to operate strongly in many different situations. This turns the Menzi Muck A61 into an indispensable tool in the construction industry. The combination of technology and structure has created the Hadrian X registered trademark machine. Controlled by a tablet with a 32-meter boom, it can handle blocks up to 600 mm, 400 mm, 300 mm. The use of robotic technology to automatically lay bricks and build walls represents a significant advancement in the future of the construction industry. When handling agricultural waste and fertilizer, lagoon trucks must be included. Its structure includes a wheel system and heavy-duty legs that allow the machine to move flexibly on all terrains, from valleys to fields. Equipped with a powerful drive system for efficient movement, designed with mixing capabilities to ensure uniformity and even distribution of waste in the lagoon, optimizing the treatment process and minimizing impact on environment. Lagoon Crawler provides comprehensive solutions for effective agricultural waste management. Next is the New Holland T585. With a powerful engine of up to 85 horsepower, this tractor is a versatile power source, effectively handling many different jobs. The advanced steering system and features integrated into the cabin create a convenient and efficient driving experience. flexible design structure meets the needs of different working conditions. This is truly a reliable machine in the agricultural field. Finally, the flip-screen BL80 is highly efficient and flexible in material handling. Its design includes a customizable mesh screen that allows materials to be sorted according to specific requirements. Flip-screen's rotating system optimizes the screening process, improving efficiency. The BL80 is equipped with advanced technology to ensure accuracy and speed, making it an essential tool in the construction and mining industries. With its sturdy structural design and uncompromising quality, the Komatsu 980E5 is considered a leading machine in the mining and construction industry. The electronic drive system and intelligent control have optimized performance and saved energy. The impressive capacity of the large cargo bed allows for efficient transport of bulk materials. Precise braking and steering design ensures safety and maximizes mobility in all-terrain conditions. The machine is the perfect combination of advanced technology and high-capacity transport capabilities. Introducing the MKT V5 ESC vibratory pile driver, which can be integrated into the excavator without assembly. Its unique feature is to eliminate auxiliary power supplies and hydraulic power lines, reducing fuel costs and making the working process environmentally friendly. This saves time and reduces manual labor, creating a breakthrough in the construction and piling industry. The next machine I want to introduce is the Komatsu wheel loader. Designed with articulated steering and rugged suspension, they are optimized for all-terrain mobility. They can lift and move large materials with powerful motors and flexible designs. In addition, the integration of modern technology makes them easy to operate and maintain. You may not know that the JCB3 CX Sitemaster Pro backhoe loader is one of the most powerful machines in the world. Equipped with a wheel loader at the rear, the machine is capable of high-performance excavation and soil transportation. It also accommodates various attachments, from excavator buckets to hydraulic breakers, enhancing adaptability to diverse tasks. Advanced steering and control systems optimize work performance on the job site. As a symbol of efficiency and precision in excavation work, the Vermeer RTX 750 trencher is worth mentioning. With the ability to dig trenches of varying depths and widths, this is the ideal tool for laying pipes, cables, or conduit systems in infrastructure construction projects. Its sturdy and durable construction allows it to handle all types of soil, reducing working time and increasing productivity. Vermeer RTX 750 trencher has become the top choice in infrastructure construction. The next interesting machine is the Tractor 1100 PS, which has a sturdy construction and excellent performance to tackle demanding tasks in agriculture and construction. A machine with a capacity of 1100 horsepower is considered a powerful tractor suitable for transporting heavy loads and tasks requiring significant strength. The sturdy frame, powerful drive system, and precise steering design ensure stability. This makes tractors an indispensable tool in agricultural activities. Quite familiar to farmers is the Kvernelin Eichster 3-point linkage sprayer. The device features an easy adjustment system with advanced technology and integrated smart components. This brings high efficiency and precision to the pesticide spraying process. You will be amazed by the advanced technology and safety features of the Aztec Trencor trencher in agriculture. Optimized bucket and blade ensure efficiency and precision when creating trenches in rock and soil. The emphasis on versatility in the design allows the machine to perform robustly on a variety of terrains. It is used in infrastructure construction, facilitating the easy and quick placement of pipes, cables, and other tasks. A technological wonder in the mining industry is the Caterpillar 6020B, which weighs a whopping 300 tons. Manufactured by Caterpillar, this modern design includes a powerful crane and sturdy frame to ensure the ability to lift and handle heavy loads. The machine works effectively in loading, unloading, and transporting materials. Large crawler tracks and precise steering enhance mobility in mining environments. When loading materials onto trucks, a special lifting arm facilitates an optimized process, increasing productivity. The 6020B excavator is a symbol of high load-bearing capacity in the mining industry. Meeting the needs of the agricultural industry, the GUSA autonomous herbicide orchard sprayer is designed to optimize the herbicide spraying process for crops. Spot spray technology uses up to 9 sensors to accurately detect weeds. Minimizing chemical use saves costs and improves sustainability. Equipped with a 3.8L74 HP Cummins diesel engine, the control system automatically adjusts the amount of herbicide based on information collected, reducing unnecessary chemical use. The machine can adjust the height and width of the lifting arm to suit the terrain. Optimized blades ensure even coverage, and the lightweight and durable frame makes it easy to move. The Grimm Rexor 6200 Platinum Sugar Beet Harvester is a marvel of agricultural technology with a powerful and precise cutting system to gently separate sugar beets from the soil. Equipped with an advanced conveyor belt, the machine efficiently transports quality sugar beets to the storage compartment. Sensor technology allows the device to adapt to a variety of soil conditions. The combination of precision and automation in production creates an innovative and seamless agricultural experience. Rugged structural design to tackle challenging demolition tasks makes the GXT 2555R on the PC 4000 amazing. Equipped with a flexible demolition arm, it can rotate and move precisely to reach the target. Advanced electro-hydraulic system and intelligent controller increase speed during operation. The machine is also equipped with shock absorber technology, optimizing safety, a sturdy frame, and flexible wheels suitable for many different terrain conditions, making it an effective tool for demolition projects. Unload. Impressing with its powerful and smart design, the Binger VSL07P pruner is an effective tool for farmers. Due to its light weight, the machine can be used on steep slopes, difficult terrain, and even on steep and rough surfaces. Its sharp cutting disc can prune even before the leaves fall. The electronic control system allows flexible and precise machine operation. Ergonomic handle design ensures easy and comfortable use during use. Introducing the world's most massive runway sweeper, the RS600 Performance Line. Designed for performance and reliability, and with its impressive size, it boasts the most powerful and important scanner. Equipped with automatic control system, it can automatically detect and adjust according to runway conditions. Smart sensors allow quick recognition of changes. Modern cleaning technology effectively removes snow, ice, and foreign substances, ensuring safe runways, reducing slip and fall risks, and ensuring the airport operates efficiently in all weather conditions. I'm sure this is your first time seeing this wheel loader. The design is optimized for efficient excavation and material handling. The wheel rotates around the central axis, covering a large area. Strong structure can withstand high pressure. When the machine starts working, the giant wheel is placed in the main area of the excavation site. While rotating, the buckets or shovels on the wheels dig deep into the soil. The material is then moved upward through a conveyor system for further processing and transportation. This continuous process allows the machine to achieve high efficiency in excavating soil. Respiro R7, located in Finland, is an advanced agricultural tool that is a trusted partner for workers in the industry. With precise plowing and efficient multitasking capabilities, the machine helps improve productivity and reduce labor. When combined with Valtra, it becomes a comprehensive solution, improving efficiency and adding value for users in Finland. The Class Quadrant 5300 baler is known for its agricultural performance and durability. Rugged dimensions and sturdy construction enable the machine to adapt to challenging working environments. The load-bearing frame is made from high-quality materials to ensure long-term durability. The device automatically detects the amount of material, adjusting the compression pressure to create tight and uniform packaging. The baler uses a precise compression mechanism and sensor system to pack and package materials quickly. Flexible design helps easily meet production requirements in agriculture. Ultimately, Pixel Farming Robot 1 represents a breakthrough in weed control. It includes a sensor system to determine the precision required for the two control methods. The machine is equipped with air and laser mechanisms to remove weeds without harming surrounding plants. With flexible adjustment capabilities, Pixel Farming Robot 1 is an effective solution in modern agriculture. Operating with precision and expertly designed, the Letourneau L1850 wheel loader is a high-performance machine built to tackle demanding tasks. Equipped with the L1850 loader, it provides an operating load of 100,000 pounds and a bucket capacity of 33 ID3, 25.23 cubic meters, as standard. The machine has a center load mass similar to most cargo trucks, with a load capacity of 190 to 320 tons, 172 to 290 tons. It can lift loads of hundreds of tons, and has a powerful motor to scoop and lift large materials effectively. Flexible loading arms help the machine easily handle difficult situations. In addition, the sturdy load-bearing frame and modern suspension system maintain stability when working on a variety of terrains. Next is the specialized forklift Reach Stacker 180T. The equipment has a lifting capacity of 180 tons and a sturdy load-bearing frame. It is designed to handle and move heavy goods in the maritime transport and logistics industry. The long reach arm pulls the container from the container stack, allowing flexible height and angle adjustment. Sturdy wheels help the machine move on any terrain, ensuring safety during operation. Today, machines have become an indispensable part of the world, where the development and demand for machines is constantly increasing. If you find this content interesting, please leave a like, and don't forget to click the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel so we can explore great machines together. In agriculture, the Grimmy GF800 is designed to optimize soil tillage and bed formation. With 8 rows of rotating blades, it ensures efficiency, improves texture, and brings uniformity in creating a smooth texture for the soil. Intelligent control system adjusts working depth and angle. The rugged design allows the machine to withstand high pressure and harsh conditions, improving productivity and crop quality. The sophisticated combination of advanced technology and unique design has created the birth of the Hardy Commander 4500 sprayer. With an intelligent electronic control system and integrated GPS, the machine automatically adjusts the flow speed. Water, pesticides, chemicals based on requirements to optimize the spraying process. With large capacity, the device increases efficiency and can spray on a large area. The highly maneuverable design makes the Hardy Commander 4500 a symbol of innovation in modern agriculture. Pottinger Servo 45S is a symbol of progress and efficiency in agriculture. Equipped with a modern cutting system, the machine can evenly till the soil to the optimal depth. The plow blade is designed to be flexible, allowing adjustment of depth and angle. Anti-clog sliding design helps optimize operation. With a sturdy frame structure, Pottinger Servo 45S can withstand high pressure during tillage. This helps improve the efficiency and productivity of agricultural activities. The Rink DS1200 is a high-quality ice resurfacing equipment designed with a unique structure, providing performance and stability in ice rink maintenance. Its web includes an expanding disc system with blades that flatten the ice evenly, creating a flat sliding surface. The powerful engine and modern control system help the machine adapt well to the requirements of the ice rink. Ergonomic design and safety features help operators maintain equipment in optimal condition.